together again?
Kinda, not really.
Whatever Harry did and why.
Maybe his sisters.
Not when freedom is so close.
Maybe his sister found out some